Hello guys, this is Rakhi. Welcome to the Cosmic Witches Tarot. Here I upload content related to tarot, astrology, and all things witchy and magical. Enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you there. What is the New Year resolution? Mine is to drop a new video every week here on YouTube. So let's see how it goes. Happy New Year! Have a great first month of this year, and of course, you'll know through your zodiac sign tarot reading. Hi, this is Rakhi. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Cosmic Witches Tarot, and here I upload all things witchy, spirituality. So without any further ado, let's jump into your zodiac signs tarot reading. Have fun! Hello there, Virgos. Welcome to your zodiac signs tarot reading. So I have pulled one beautiful card for you guys, the blessings for January. Alright, and I'm going to see what are your blessings at the end of this reading. So today we are going to look at your January month week by week. Okay, so I'm gonna pull one card for each week. Alright guys, so let's see what's going to happen with you, my dear Virgos, in the month of January 2022. Week number 1, week number 2, week number 3, and week number 4. So in the back of the deck there's Knight of Wands. So I feel like you guys are doing a lot of physical activity like working out, or maybe looking after your body, way you dress, or maybe helping out in your home or something, or maybe going out for walks. Some this kind of energy is coming through for you guys in the month of January. So anyway, let's see what's your first week looks like, Virgos. Queen of Pentacles. Like I said, you guys were transforming your body, or your image maybe, or way you look, okay? Your self image, or the way you look to the public, or even so all such things you're doing. So yeah, so for you guys, I feel like you were in this process of doing this for a long time, and now in the week number 1 the transformation has been completed is what I feel, because maybe you had this different kind of exterior, okay, the outer image that you had, but now I feel for you guys that you are ready to show the world the real you, okay? Maybe in all such time, maybe in the year 2021 you had a different approach at life, okay, but now you are not only changing the inner world, you are also changing your outer world, because there's so much want energy, there's so much making changes in your physical reality. I feel like in week number 1 you are going to be exposing who you are to the world, okay, your true self. And not only that, guys, for you in career wise, for you, I feel like there's going to be some uh, you know maybe some paycheck or some reward awaiting you, that maybe you had worked on some project or something, as I feel like, and now you are getting rewarded or paid for that in week number 1. So some kind of money is coming in for you in week number 1, guys. Let's see what's going to happen for you, my dear Virgos, in week number 2. Ooh, wow. See, another wand is out, 6 of Wands, and yeah, guys, it's looking good. Like after Queen of Pentacles, the wand energy, 6 of Wands is out. So this crown here and here as well, right? And here I feel like maybe there was some down moment is what I feel like for you guys. Okay, and now you are restoring it. Okay, you had in maybe the past year you went through this transformation where you planted the seed, and now you're reaping the rewards, you're reaping the fruits of this hard work. uh, you are going to get this recognition that you deserve. Like I said, you are changing, you are showing the world your true self, right? And when you are going to do that, if maybe you have done it already in the month of December, or maybe this month it's going to happen. And when you do that, guys, let me tell you, you are going to be recognized for your hard work. Okay, you are, like I said, you're going to be paid or rewarded for this hard work, or whatever you were doing, you're going to get recognized for it. Okay, because like I said, the transformation from showing the world your true self of who you really are is going to be rewarded. Okay, so maybe being vulnerable is going to help you get that crown, the recognition that you deserved. Okay, guys, so that's great, guys. So that's what I feel for you in week number 2. Let's see what's going to happen for you in week number 3. In week number 3 for you guys, I feel like, because the first 2 weeks are so much rewarding, right? And so much overwhelming. In week number 3, you might be returning back to where you came from. Okay, maybe you might, first of all, for some, I feel like you might be, looking back at your growth of how you achieved this achievement, right? Your accomplishments that are being recognized. People will be asking you about how this happened. Okay, in week number 3, you might maybe call your homies, or maybe go home, or maybe meet your family or friends, who your old friends. Okay, and then you'll be discussing about your growth, about how this happened, the big change in you, how it happened, right? Week number 3 is energy of showing off, where you might show off to people about how much you have changed. Okay, how much you have changed and accomplished what you were meant to accomplish. Okay, so maybe to your close friends or old friends or family relatives, you might show them or tell them that this is what I have become. And mm, yeah, or if not, you guys might just sit down, and sometimes it is very necessary to sit down and introspect and be self-aware about what is happening around us, and just observe our own selves, our own way of living. And sometimes it is necessary for us to appreciate our own selves. So maybe that's what is going to happen for you in week number 3, guys. A lot of appreciation energy is what I feel, not only from your family but your own self, which is very we always think that usually we are told that appreciation should come from others, but that's not the thing, guys. Appreciation is a thing that should come from our inner self, our own self. We should appreciate our own selves first, then people appreciate us. Because if we cannot see our own talents, our own positive things, then there's very less possibility that people will see it for us. We feel loved by other people when it starts from us, when it starts from self love. Okay, when we love our own selves, we feel loved by others. That's how we radiate that energy. So for you guys, week number 3, I feel you will be in this happy mode, where you will be like a child, and maybe happy about what you have accomplished, appreciating yourself, and then you will be maybe telling people around you that this is what I have achieved, and people will be appreciating you for that, which is a great thing, guys. So let's see for you what's in your week number 4. Wow. Another crown is out. See, kings, queen, king. Wow, guys, this is such a great energy, Virgos. You've been definitely doing some inner work, guys. Like I said, there you were working on your body and on how you manage your day, or how you want to change the way people look at you, right? This energy is only possible because of King of Swords. That is, you guys have organized your thoughts as well before, before stepping into this, uh, you know being aware of your physical reality of who you are. You have been, maybe staying inside and organizing your thoughts about who you are, and maybe facing your own shadows, that is your shadow self. Some feelings or some unattended emotions that we don't truly accept. But now here I feel like in week number 4, since there is this King of Swords energy, right, which is a next level energy where you have gained control over your mind, okay? And that is only possible when you have done that shadow work, okay? Having control over your thoughts and the way you think and observe, all this thing is possible when you have done that shadow work, when you have accepted your own demons and healed your inner self, okay? When you have done that healing, then that is possible. And here, since there is this Queen of Pentacles, that is, you are grounded in your reality. You are not in that hazy phase anymore where you were maybe mm, not so sure about what you are doing. But now you are on this level. This month is going to take you to that next level where you will be very much present, mindful in your reality, aware about what's going on around you. And that's such a great energy, guys. Being, and not only that, this mix of energy, it's not a chaotic mix, okay? It's a very beautiful mix energy where you are also there. You're present like a child. Your masculine and feminine energies are balanced, okay? And even I feel like you have done some, you have also, I also feel this is a very healed energy is what I feel. Your inner child is also healed, or maybe you will start this inner healing as well. So for some, I can tell that since this Queen and King, I feel like you have worked on yourself, on your inner self. And of course, it doesn't happen like that uh, in just second. You have to keep on working on yourself, but that journey has started for sure. You have reached some levels of healing, like you are on the way, and it's a great thing, guys. And don't worry, this is such a beautiful reading, guys, and you're definitely going to be successful in what you want to achieve, guys. Okay, so that was your month. So I'm so excited for your blessing. Let's see what is the blessing for Virgos. Wow. Page of Wands. See, like I said, the Wands energy is there. So guys, for you, I feel like in the month of January 2022, you will be blessed with some idea, okay? Or idea about, it can be about your career or something about your life that you want to do, okay? You'll be blessed with such a beautiful idea which you are passionate about, okay? You will feel this, maybe if you were not so passionate about life before, this is the time, this is your blessing, guys. If you were in that low energy, you will get this sudden urge to live your life to the fullest. You will want to maybe move out and work on that ideas, or join some classes or something, or courses where you will be doing some physical activity, like maybe I'm feeling this like dancing, something creative, dancing, painting, maybe joining some zumba classes, something that involves moving your body. Okay, something maybe trekking for some people, going out in the nature is what I feel is your blessing, and that blessing is going to help you gain that passion for life, or gain back if you have lost it, or if you are going to this low period, you are definitely going to gain that passion for life again. And for some in career, you are going to get this idea. It can be related to your business, a business idea, or something in the job, some idea that's going to help you wake up in the morning with a smile on your face. Okay, that's what I feel for you guys. So that's your blessing, guys. And wow, that was a very beautiful month, guys. That's really nice, guys. So let me know how your month is going. Let me know whenever you watch this reading how this reading resonated with you, or you can come back and tell me. Okay, bye. Have a great first month. So guys, if you are a regular viewer or a new viewer and you just like this video, do subscribe to my channel, do give a big fat thumbs up, and also do please comment below and let me know how you like my videos. If you like any more other subjects, if you have recommendations, let me know. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.